Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Boox Go 10.3, one of the most talked about e-readers hitting the market this year. Before you make a choice on your next digital reading companion, you need to watch this comprehensive review where we've done all the research for you, and I'll share the link to the best price in the description below. In this video we're evaluating the Boox Go 10.3 across price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The Boox Go 10.3 stands out immediately with its exceptional 10.3-inch HD Carta 1200 glass screen, delivering an impressive 2480 x 1860 resolution at 300 ppi that rivals physical paper. This e-reader is powered by a blazing fast 2.4 GHz octa-core processor paired with 4 GB of RAM, making it one of the most responsive e-readers on the market. The device targets serious readers, digital note-takers, and professionals who need a versatile document management system that goes beyond basic e-reading. What makes this device truly remarkable is its dual input system featuring both Boox Stylus Touch with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity and capacitive touch support. This combination creates an outstanding writing experience that feels incredibly natural whether you're annotating PDFs, sketching diagrams, or taking handwritten notes. The flat cover lens design ensures minimal parallax, giving you precision that's essential for detailed work. Furthermore, the Boox Go 10.3 runs on Android 12, which is a game-changer in the e-reader space. This means you can install third-party apps from the Google Play Store, transforming this device from a simple e-reader into a full-fledged productivity tool. With 64 GB of internal storage, you'll have ample space for thousands of books, documents, and apps. The connectivity options are equally impressive with dual-band Wi-Fi supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, plus Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting wireless headphones or keyboards. The built-in dual speakers and microphone expand functionality for audiobooks and voice notes, while the G sensor enables automatic screen rotation for comfortable reading in any orientation. Moreover, this device excels in format compatibility, supporting virtually every document format you can think of, including PDF, TAG, DJVU, CBR, CBZ, EPUB, AZW3, MOBI, TXT, DOC, X, and even PowerPoint presentations. For creative professionals, it handles image formats like PNG, JPG, BMP, and TIFF, while audio support includes WAV and MP3 files. The 700 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery delivers exceptional longevity, easily lasting weeks with regular reading and note-taking. At just 375 grams and measuring only 4.6 mm thick, this is one of the slimmest and lightest 10.3-inch e-readers available, making it perfect for extended reading sessions without hand fatigue. Additionally, the USB-C port serves double duty, supporting OTG functionality for external storage devices and even functioning as an audio jack when needed. This versatility is particularly useful for professionals who need to access files from USB drives or connect wired headphones. However, one notable downside is the absence of a front light, which means you'll need adequate ambient lighting for comfortable reading. Some users may find this limiting for bedtime reading or low-light environments, though it does contribute to the impressive battery life and ultra-slim profile. The premium build quality is evident in every aspect, from the responsive touchscreen to the precise stylus input. Whether you're a student annotating textbooks, a professional reviewing contracts, or an avid reader with a vast digital library, the Boox Go 10.3 delivers outstanding performance that justifies its position in the premium e-reader segment. You got it. So, that's it for the best large-screen e-reader on the market for this year. Like this video, comment if you're gonna buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.